Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be repairing this iPhone 5, which my friend and his dad gave me. Huge thanks to them for that. His dad tried to replace the battery himself, which led to the screen somehow breaking into two layers and never working properly again. Powering on the phone, you can see the screen shows white lines, which indicates that the LCD or its cable must have been damaged. I will be fixing it by using the screen from my donor iPhone 5, which I bought from eBay for $32. The seller listed it as not working, but it had a perfectly good screen on it, and as a bonus he threw in a spare screen he had lying around, which I've tested and actually works perfectly. The first job is to open up the main iPhone by removing the two pentalobe screws from the bottom and pry it open with a suction cup, which is easy considering how loose the screen is. Now we can unscrew and disconnect the battery connector. As this is a brand new battery, it has no adhesive and falls right out of the phone. We need to remove the three screws holding down the logic board connector bracket and remove the bracket itself. Next we can disconnect the three connectors holding the screen in place and then remove it completely. Taking a closer look at the display panel, you can see how broken it really is. The plastic frame has snapped in at least two places and the LCD shield is very nearly coming off the screen. I've never seen anything like this before and honestly have no idea how it happened. Now it's time to bring out the donor iPhone. We can follow the same steps as before to open it, however, I've noticed the screen is held in a lot more firmly on this phone. Once it's open, we can disconnect the battery and remove the screen. Next, we can reconnect the good screen back onto the main iPhone body. We can reinstall the connector bracket and screw it down. We can reconnect the battery and screw its bracket down. We can then give the iPhone a test boot to make sure everything's working before it's sealed up. Booting the phone up, it's instantly clear that replacing the display has fixed the white lines issue. After pressing the home button, which can be done by touching a metal tool on the two gold home button pins near the headphone jack, everything seems to work as normal, including the cameras and the microphones. Going into settings and the about page, this is actually a 64GB model running iOS 10.3.3. Finally, I can seal up the device and reinstall the two pentalobe screws. I haven't forgotten about the donor iPhone, however its water indicators are red, meaning the logic board has come in contact with water. I don't currently have the right tools or equipment to repair water damage, but as soon as I have them I'll try and fix it, so stay tuned for that. Well, that just about wraps this video up. I'll definitely be keeping this iPhone 5 as it will make a great backup phone, and also its 64GB of storage will be great for storing music and games. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like if you did, don't forget to subscribe and follow my social media, links are down in the description. Take care guys, I'll see you next time.